Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce CyberLink Powerdirector 365, a powerful and easy video editing software. Let's get started. First of all, what is CyberLink Powerdirector 365? CyberLink Powerdirector 365 is a professional video editing software for Windows. It allows you to create high-quality videos with advanced tools, while still being easy to use. You can edit videos for YouTube, social media, business, or personal projects. With regular updates and creative content, it's a great choice for modern creators. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of CyberLink Powerdirector 365. AI-powered tools, AI background removal, object detection, and effects. Advanced timeline editing, multi-track timeline for smooth editing. High-quality effects and transitions, cinematic effects and motion graphics. Green screen support, create professional background effects. Audio editing tools, clean and enhance audio easily. Stock media access, music, sound effects, and video templates included. 4K video support, edit high-resolution videos smoothly. So, who can benefit most from it? CyberLink Powerdirector 365 is ideal for YouTubers and content creators, video editors and filmmakers, social media marketers, business owners creating promo videos, anyone who wants powerful video editing tools. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, CyberLink Powerdirector 365 is safe to use. It is developed by CyberLink, a trusted software company used by professionals worldwide. The software is secure, stable, and does not harm your system or files. Now, how to use it? Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install the software on your Windows PC. Open Powerdirector and start a new project. Import your videos, images, and audio files. Drag clips to the timeline and edit them. Add effects, titles, and transitions. Preview your video and export it in the quality you want. In a few easy steps, you can create professional videos. Now, if you want to unlock all features and remove limitations, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a complete overview of CyberLink Powerdirector 365. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.